Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the London session live stream again. See what we can get today. I'm a little bit later than normal. I have some things to fix real quick. Still acting very weird, but finally we're here. Just a little after London Open, so volume is there. I personally did take buys, but very, very sketchy. I'm looking to, I took buys. What was the entry? 61.9 right here, but it's very scary. I'd rather, what my original plan is what my original plan is to start selling at 72 because that one has one of the highest potentials to work out. Took a buy, small loss. Yo, Darren, yeah. To be fair with you, I first took a little buy as well. I took a 10 pip loss, and then I took one with the lot size 3 times bigger than the loss, and then I took it back easily. So, yeah, everyone just got slapped, and the reason you just got slapped is because they were on stop loss hunt, and even I got caught in it. But then I was like, nah, I know what's going on, so I bought again. So my first buy was actually at 63.5, where it is right now, right? I had a buy sitting right here. I was like, yeah, we got 4-hour support, we got all of that thing, you know. I didn't get the entry I wanted to have, but was okay. Let's make this line green as entry for a moment. Got this first buy, right? Then I went up like 10 pips profit around that. And 11 pips, I think. Oh, yeah, around, yeah, 11, let's say around 12 pips profit. Then absolutely dumped. And I was just sitting there. I was like, okay, you're gonna do me like this, and then I'll do you like this, and I and then push through that 60. Like I was that 63. This was for me that support zone, and then after 63, I was looking at where's my my tools. After 63, I was looking at this as a support area, right? So I was like, yeah, if it comes back to this area, I'm gonna buy again, right? If we don't respect this, we gotta respect this. There's a very high potential that we're not going to break through this area. So with very high potentials, we're just gonna buy up. I wish I hold it longer because I closed everything. I saw like a very good amount of profit. I was like, yeah, fuck it. Big lot size again. So for me, it's like close a little early. Next time runner, it's a better idea. But it was a little sketchy situation. But if you also look on the 1 hour time frame, right? We still had this wick to fill, right? And that was exactly on top of that 4-hour level. So it made sense for price to come here or actually pushing up. Which I didn't really think it was gonna do that at first, but it did it. So it got stopped out, like a lot of people in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, best buys were right here, but it was looking very good, and I understand everyone was like, yeah, buys, because like if you really look at it, I think it's like yeah, on the 30-minute, like right, in the 30-minute, we pretty much had a break of structure right here. Price was rejecting very hard rejection, and then continuation up. It did retest this area, but if we don't take that in consideration for a moment, this was a retest area to the left right here to continue moving up to retest the high, and I still believe that we're going to retest this high. There's still a very high possibility that that's going to be done. So that was the first reason for buys. Now, the second reason for buys was just that 4-hour support, right? 4-hour level when price actually did go into some drawdown. But when the 4-hour started coming towards that zone right here, I did click a little early because I thought like, hey, maybe we're gonna already tap away because we already have some rejection right here at 9. So I was like, yeah, no, get in somewhere here. Entry, like right here. I got into a little draw. I was already in a big loss. I was like, should I add more here? If I did that, man, goddamn boy, I wanted to do that really badly, but I didn't do it. And then price started to push up slowly. This candle. If you see this candle, everyone's like, yeah, that's the gladiator candle, this and that, it's very strong, this and that. No, it's only there to fake you all out because they knew like entries people had here, right? Entries people had here because people were buying the high. Straight fact. People were buying the high. There's for a fact people were buying there. It's actually if you look left, this is a level right here. Buy flat. But that doesn't matter. People were buying here, people were buying at this high, people were buying, right? Buy. There are also still people in sell, so they took pretty much some people out with sells in this one, I think, because it closed above. But once they knew, and once they saw, you know, they saw that they pushed price down with two massive volume candles, and that's only to take your stop losses out from here, and your stop losses out from here. That's the only reason they did that. The only reason, because people, they know stop losses were here and stop losses were here. And where is price now? It's over here, right? They just push the price down, get their entries, and then you got to think like why would they push price down when it's already down, right? Why would they do that? It doesn't matter. It doesn't make sense, right? If price is already like, okay, yeah, they pulled back price, but this is not a pullback. This is very minor. This is not those guys coming up in London. They're sitting behind their computers like, oh yeah, fuck this. This is not a pullback. So, you know, they push price down to get their entries into buys to continue moving back up towards 72. Right? And from 72, we're going to go back down again, probably. I'm not for sure, but there's a high possibility, right? So they're just here to tap you out. That's the only thing. The only thing. So for the people that got slapped, they're going to make the buy. Oh damn. This was a huge fake out, and the reasoning behind this fake out was just to take everybody out. That's it. So if you made a trade, if you made that same trade, because I see some people in the chat did the same thing, make sure to write that down on your chart, because that was just fuck you up straight. Fuck you up, straight fact. Eventually, I don't know how much my position got into. Fucking hell, if I held that, boy. On the sell, took like an idiot impulse trade. Oh, that's not smart. You know you're selling straight against the 4-hour support, right? 4-hour support is sitting right here. Oh, look at all these lines. This should just be one line. But yeah, what I'm thinking about now is because the structure is actually very, very, very nice. Like for a fact, it's very, very nice. If you look on the daily time frame, right? On the daily, it's showing you a lot of potential. And on the daily, I'm gonna explain you. We had these equal highs still here at 30, right? And then we had this low formed all the way at 1678 or 1675 or whatever level it was. From there on, we started pushing up, right? We made a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, who can already see where we took trades before? It's very easy to spot. Price started to break down, right? Price broke this structure and actually turned out into a break of structure, right? Break of structure, price closed below, the trend was broken. The trend is gone, it's done, it's over, right? Most of the time, it can still fake out and push further on, but most of the time, 90% of the time, BOS, structure is broken, you're gonna get a very nice retest to continue moving down. Now, who can still remember us selling it right here? Right? Selling it right here, it's a retest of this line sitting right here at 1806, right? After that continuation, break up the lows as expected. If you held the trade, man, Got a lot of profit on that one. I took a buy, got slapped hard. Yeah, everyone got slapped hard because it's just it was there to fake you out. It was there to fake you out, get your money, and go back up. That's it. Now, price decided to make the second leg. What I always say, second leg is always bigger. People say, yeah, but the first leg is always bigger, right? No, no, no. That's not how price action works. Now, what could have you expected? And what we've been talking about yesterday, if you go back to yesterday, to this same exact line on yesterday, because the chart is still the same. No lines have changed. You're going to look at this top line. How fucking point is that? That's mad. But you expect a retest, right? I just need to put buy and sell limits on my levels. Getting too much. Price decided to retest this area right here, right? And now we're continuing moving down. And my trend is bearish. I bought, but the trend is bearish, right? Trend is still bearish. Yeah, I'm not that key into 1 hour. So we still need to retest this low and maybe even continue towards this level right here, right? Now, what I'm still thinking about though, what might happen, instead of we're going down straight away, that we might, well, not might, this is just very high probability. We had the same retest here on the 4 hour time frame, right? Look, exceptional, on point, mad. Don't want to talk too much about it, but you know, with this down movement, right? Again, down movement. We're gonna go to the 4 hour, analyze it on the 4 hour. Down movement, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Continuation, right? And now it broke. It started to make higher highs and higher lows. It broke the structure over here. This minor structure right here. We're also talking about time in the past. And then we broke out the structure right here. Right? Break a structure right here. Now we had a little consolidation. Now we were doing higher time frame bullshit. This is all lower time frame. All of this, all of what happened over here, is all lower time frame stuff. This is all lower time frame. All this break of structure, this and that bullshit, is all lower time frame. So what you gotta understand is that we had to pull back to this area, and once we had that pullback, we had that tap into the zone, continuation down, right? This was formed by the news, which was nice because the news pushed it up, and then we started to continue moving down. You see, it's a very strong level. Even the news didn't have the power to push through this level because it's very strong. Now, after that, price started to continue moving down, and what did we have right over here? I want to see answers in the chat. What did we have? We were still making higher highs and higher lows. What did we have on the last arrow? Let's make this one purple for a moment. What did we have right here? What happened? I want to see answers. Only 2 answers. What is that? Those are rookie numbers, man. Push those numbers up. Yes, so we had to break the structure. Now, we push down, right? What can we expect from a 4 hour support? What can we expect? We can expect price to push back up, retest this area, continue moving down to retest the low, blast down even further, go all the way back towards 42. I don't know if we're going to hit 42, but we could. There's the possibility. Yes, so at the end of the day, if we're going to do it like this, we're going to call this the high, right? Oh, fuck. Shit. The high. And then we have the low over here. Pull that one and no. Make a screenshot if you don't understand it that well and analyze it for yourself. Then we have the first higher high. After the break of structure, we're going to put that break of structure in as well. We're going to remove some of these arrows in a minute. This one. This one. This one. So we had a confirmed BOS right here, right? Break of structure right there. Then we had higher low, right? Then we had a higher high all the way over here. This is all 4 hour. On the 1 hour, it's even more detailed, right? More detail, more of everything a little bit. And once we went back over here, we made that higher low again, right? I'll remove this arrow as well. Go. Now you could also say this is also a break of structure on the higher time frame. So let's call this a BOS as well. Oh, not like that. Let's call this a quick BOS as well. No, let's leave it like that. Leave it like that. And then we had the new high formed, and then after that we had the obvious BOS right here, right? And price after that started to make lower lows, and now should make a lower high. You get me? So make a screenshot of it if you don't understand structure. This is the full-on basics of structure. If you don't understand it, make a screenshot. This is what I'm gonna explain also on the board and all that stuff. It's gonna be a lot of fun, the board and that. So it's not gonna be live. It's not gonna be like live because I don't know how to do that yet. Maybe I'll figure a way out, but I'm probably just gonna do it in a video, like quick 5 to 10 minute videos about like certain topics, right? I don't want to have too long of videos. Like if I put a video of an hour, yes, I can put certain like things in the loading bar, which you know which subject is somewhere. I'd rather do them separate because it's way easier for you to find what you're searching for, right? So yeah, here you see just full on break of structure, and this is like bread and butter structure right here. You can't get any better than this. There's no way to get any better. I wish I'll hold this buy, man. I wish I did, but I was just a little bit scared. That's okay. Learn every day, right? The blues is the most important. You gotta stay in the blues. If you're in the blues, you're Gucci. Blues are there. Even if it's low blues, high blues, doesn't matter what it is. Those are rookie likes though. I gotta say I was a little bit later today because so it makes sense for the rookie likes. Makes sense. So yeah, that's the full on structure. Now you can expect price to come back all the way over here. So if you're in buys, if you took the buys the same as I did later on, then you can hold it all the way back to at least 70, 72 consolidation between 68 and 66. It's no consolidation. There's no consolidation. There's only consolidation pretty much like this box and like this box on the 1 hour time frame. For the rest, all of the rest is all Gucci. There's no crazy shit going on. It's moving. Price is moving, so there's no I do see that 70, 72, 70, 72, 72, 78, 76 as a consolidation area. That's the only thing. Right? Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, this is just push down, retest, and then continuation. This is nothing. This is bullshit. It's nothing. Can you please briefly explain what really yesterday by fan? Bro, I didn't even watch him. I got no idea on him. Okay, anyways. Good minute. Heisenberg, yeah. We're at 85. Man's looking for the height. Oh shit, yeah, that's savage. If you take it there, that would be mad. For the dislike people, put that in your vision ever you can get. Man's a savage. Shit.
Okay, this
Oh, shit, there we go. What's wrong with the camera? I don't have it on. Give me one moment. I'll put it on. I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh my god. If I help this shit. I said to myself, I'm holding this, but I didn't do it. Because I first went into drawdown, right? If I help this shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it very, very soon. And I'm gonna be surprised. Thanks for the explanation, mate. Seriously, couldn't be any better. Oh, no worries, man. I'll be back. I'm gonna get my camera real quick. Give me 1 second. Oh my god. I'm gone for a second. 66 hit. What the fuck? Oh my days. Yeah, that's mad. Thanks, bro. No problem. Happiness fruit. Oh my days. Got too many Dutch people in here. I'm a Antonio Parker. Yes, sir. Yeah, perfect. Man. Oh my god. If I help this shit, there's gonna be. The thing is, just every time you step, you just like. This is the second time I used it now again. Every time you step into that new long, like the 10 pip thing comes back, you like hit 10 pips, you close it, you know? But I should the whole way like, how well could one trade the range? Uh, go on lower time frames, please. Go to 5 minute and see what's going on. Right on the 5 minute, you probably can see some entries, right? You see on the 5 minute. I would never do it personally though, but you can actually do like very good scalping on the lower time frames on gold. 10 pips. I'm gonna tell you right now, 10 pips is easy. That's the easy. Like my normal aim right now is like 30 pips. 30 pips, still easy. Above 30 pips, hard. Right? For me, 30 pips is easy to hit. Look, you're getting, yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. If I would have been on my normal lot size, I would have held that shit. But like, well, this is a normal again, but the previous one. You take gold bike and explain. Yes, poop. Go back for a little bit, scroll back, and then you're gonna see it. There you go. That was actually the first. Like, I had a PTP standing here on Magic Key, right, like right here. God damn, boy. And I knew this shit was gonna happen. Sometimes you don't need to give a fuck. But yeah, I'll do that later on. But yeah, on the 5 minute, Esther asked that question. Esther, if you look on the 5 minute time frame, you have this support standing right here, right? Now, I wish this kind of closed without bottom wick, because then you could have bought right here to continue moving up, right? It would barely close with a wick though, but that's still okay. Now what's important to note is that we came back into the zone, right? Price pushed back into the zone. This was the zone, right? Price pushed back down, retested the support, closed bullish, right? And your buy should have been right here. Continue moving up. Now, personally, I would never buy this high. I want to be buying here, or here, or here, or I should have bought more, man. I'm telling you. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, coulda, shoulda. So I just need to shut the fuck up. That's the only thing I gotta do. Right? Profit is profit at the end of the day. Invite some people. I didn't even invite anyone. Here alone. What's that? What's that? Yo, yo, yo. Other people. They all like, oh, we already made a trade. Gone. Yo, Alan. I'm an Aaron. Alan, you need to learn how to trade, man. Come on, man. I need to put on one more moment. I lost some. There we are. We have a big construction in 5 minutes, and then yeah, Heisenberg, pretty good, man. Very, very good idea. I like that. Personally, I'm done. I think, or like if I see something perfect, but let's see. For me, personally, for me, it's too high, as I said before. But they speak Turkish, yeah. Weren't that good words though. Where's the music? Yeah, I forgot that. I was just playing some stuff. Let me turn on the music, and then those vibes and that. But overall, it's a pretty good idea. Buying there, Iceberg. Look, if you could start the stream earlier and explain this move, I would be in the trade confident enough to buy it after drop. Yeah, I had some problems, so I couldn't be there that early. But tomorrow I'll be there early again. I'll be there early. Alright. Hey, come on. Alone. Switch to live accounts now, please. Come on. A year is too long. Year on demo is way too long. Gotta go to a live account right now. Like, quit the demo. Put I don't know how much money you have, but put some money into it. I'm a fan of the second leg. Yes, I agree with that because it's a retest, and retest is always high potential. We take 5 at 17.67. Are you mad? Mohammed, that's not smart, man. That's not smart. Hey Luke, I started Tradingview account $5,000 and down to 2,000. Oh shit. Well, I don't know what you're trying to do. That's the biggest question right now. Like, how you lost that much percentage? I don't know if you're over risking. I don't know if you dodgy shit. Hello, man. Uh, Blew it up with Gold NFP. No, that's not smart. Are you not involved with the trading lounge anymore? I was actually the one that pretty much invented the idea, but yeah, but I don't want to waste my time. Get me, like, if you take it into consideration, right? Take it into consideration. Oh, let's put that back. If you take it into consideration, right? You have, let's say, right? You're behind the charts. Now, sometimes I'm behind the charts for around 4 hours, right? That's when I do 2 sessions, right? New York plus London, right? That's 2 plus 2, 4 hours, right? Now, if I only do London session, right? I'm only gonna be there for around 1 to 2 hours, right? London only. Now, New York only, I don't really do. It would be the same, right? Now, what's important to note, right? Let's say you earn 200 bucks or 200 bucks in that amount of time, right? Or let's say 250 if there was a good number. 250 is a good number, right? That's something that you can live with without having to go somewhere else, right? 250 a day keeps the boss away, right? Uh, where the fuck did I say that? But look, can you check my chart and let me know if the level I draw is right? Gabrielle, send it again. Make sure to send it right because I can't see. Probably send in the entire link. So click on the camera icon and click on link to Tradingview to link, and then paste it, and then take the small part and put it into the chat so I can see it. So let's say you make 250 in like 2 hours, right? You make 125. Um, um, you make 125 an hour, right? You do it in 1 hour, right? If you do divide it by 1 hour, it's obvious. You don't even have to put it there, but you make the 250 in an hour. If I go sit in there for 250, right, as an example, right? This is our example. Even if it's 1,000, if it's 5,000, if it's 10,000, 50,000, it doesn't matter how much it is, even if it's $5, right? And if I divide that by 4, then my hourly pay is going to be a lot lower, right? It does not. It's going to be a lot lower, and it doesn't make sense to say even if the hourly pay is lower, it doesn't make sense to stay at that time. Quick maths. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1. That's 3 quick maths. So, right? See the difference, right? I'd rather be there for this amount of time, right here, or this amount of time. I don't like here to be here for this amount of time because it doesn't make sense. You gotta understand, trading is for time, right? If you go to a job, get no time. You give all the time. You want to have time. Time is the most important. Create yourself time, right? So with trading, you can, you know, it's pretty much time. Job is no time, right? So the less you're on below behind the charts, the more time you receive. You're on from this morning. Yes, I was only on since 1 hour ago. So I'm right now right here. Right? Unformed is unformed. Oh shit, I read that wrong. I was like I thought maybe different. On fire, yeah, no. So you gotta create time. You wanna be in the ones, right? Between this. You wanna be in between here. Because it doesn't make sense to be in here. That's why me doing New York session, I like to do it. It's something I like to do. It doesn't make sense to do. And it does not mean more chart time doesn't make you better. Right? Less chart time discipline, right? And makes you better, right? So music, look, yes, it's on again. So copy this, put it into your training plan, because it does not make sense to be here on it even longer than 4 hours max. Like after 4 hours, that's why I'm never there. If I do New York, I'm never there at NYC, right? Why would I stay all the way to NYC and waste my fucking time? Too much chart time makes me overthink or never trade. Fact, it does. You know, too much chart time has so many things in the background that are, you know, in the background that you don't, you know, really actually know that what is happening, what is going on with your mind, with your thoughts, and with you know, psychology level. So you know, the less time you're on the chart, the less busy, the less stressful, the less uh, you know, overthinking you're gonna get inside your mind. So make sure the chart time is less. You see people being on here for 8 hours a day, 6 hours a day, 4 hours a day, and I'm like, bruv, what the hell are you doing? Like, what are you doing? And that's not just staying behind the charts for that amount of time, but that's also, you know, back testing on let's say soft for Forex, because that's also executions. That's also looking at the same thing, making ideas in your mind and all of that, right? So make sure you're on there for a limited, yes, for a limited amount of time. Yes, for different businesses, if you have a business, it makes sense to be there for whatever amount of time you need to be there. Go there, work there 15 hours a day. I don't care how long you want to work, but right? And sleep for 8. Make sure that business runs, right? But trading is different. Trading is the complete opposite. I'm gonna put this one into a whiteboard video as well. Makes a lot of sense to do. Because it's, you know, it's not gonna make you better the more amount of time you're on the charts. The only thing you're gonna do is stay there in your time. So pick a certain amount of time. Now my time is between pre-London and then like 10:30 or 10 o'clock, just before the 4 hour candle, and that's around, let's say, like 2 hours, around 2 hours max most of the time, right? So at that amount of time, I'm gonna do everything I need to do, right? So let's say I make a trade and I mark it up. That's what I do. I don't always mark up all my trades because I know if it's the same trade, I already made the same markup before, so I don't make the markup again. Only if there's a difference, right? If there's a difference in what's going on, I mark it up and I put it into my journal. If it's the same, I don't care, right? I'm not gonna do every single trade anymore because it's a waste of time if it's exactly the same, right? So in that amount of time, make sure you create your chart. And for the people that are asking how to create charts, I'm going to show you how to create a chart. So let's see. These were the charts from 14th, 15, 13. I don't know what this is. Let's grab this one. Let's grab a couple. Then they're gonna get one old one, maybe like a losing trade or something. A good one, a good losing trade, or a break-even trade. It's okay as well. These are the rest. I'm gonna grab are probably old charts. So here I got exactly a losing trade, right? So let's first review this one. And let's remove all the fucking things from where's that thing? Here. This. So here we put on everything we see happening, right? Everything that happens, everything that's going on. You place it on the chart, your targets, your PTPs, your possible rejection zones, your supports, your whatever you're gonna put on the chart. Make sure you review this sometimes as well. Another one. It's pretty much the same trade as I took right now. It's the same. It's the same, and the reason why it's the same, even though it's vice versa, we got the 4-hour resistance sitting right here, faking out, pushing price, taking everybody out, dropping back down. It's the same, right? Put everything on the chart, all numbers, right? All the numbers, whatever numbers you got, whatever you're seeing happening, put all the numbers in the chart, and then you're Gucci. Explain why you took a certain trade. On the loss, let's say like right here on the loss, right? This was a trade from way before. It was like, when was this? June 4, right? A long time ago. You can see that put everything in, right? Put everything in, explain the entire idea, see what you're looking at, why price, didn't work out, right? Actually, it went down around 80 pips, just missing my one. Well, it wasn't actually a loss. I thought it was a loss. It's it's actually not a loss, but it's the same thing, right? Same thing. You just make sure everything is on there. If it was a loss, I would have put here why it was a loss and how I felt and all of this and this and this. So if something news comes up or something new in your mind, like maybe you're scared or maybe this happens or maybe you don't know what to do anymore or whatever, you know, um, then you start understanding yourself. The problem is most traders don't know what pattern they should trade and they trade random pattern. Yes, to be honest, to be fair with you, Heisenberg, I did the same. I traded every pattern I saw instead of focusing on one or two little things. Yo, AJ. Oh, let me mute you in 1 second. Instead of focusing on just 1 to 2 things, like, why focus on 50 things, 50 different things? Doesn't make sense. More important to just, like, I know you want to be an all-rounder and take every trade you're trying to see, right? But, the fact about all-rounding people is that there's not quality in in what they do. There's quantity, but there's not quality. And you want to create that quality for yourself in quality type of trade, quality type of discipline, quality type of motivation, quality type of so on, so on, so on, so on, so on. Right? You want to really focus on a couple setups that you see forming every single day, and then take them. That's the only thing you got to do. Right? The only thing. Not much more is needed. You can, you know, do what you want. Make sure you just focus on like a couple small things, because it's the same. Like, let's say, right, you as an example, let's think. Maybe as an example, you're gonna, let's say you're an architect and you're trying to build one building, right? That one building, let's say you're trying to build one building in 1 hour time. It doesn't make sense, but it's the same. Like, you trade 4 trades in 1 hour time with 4 different setups. If you trade one of those, if you create one of those buildings in that 1 hour time schedule, that building will be way more detailed than the 4 other buildings that are built at the same amount of time, right? The quality of everything is way higher. It's the same as a sniper and just a guy on the field with an assault rifle. He shoots like his entire magazine without hitting shit. Sniper, he shoots once, he's dead, done, over, right? And he's probably not even in the fight itself. He's just somewhere out there in the middle of nowhere, sitting there 2 kilometers away with a sniper rifle, right? So shoot less, but shoot direct. Shoot where you know shit's gonna happen and go down, right? Yo, Epic Baba, are you buy or sell? Buy. But I would sell from 72.5. Around that, 72.5. Yeah, it's a very good zone. You take any trades? Look, yeah. I first bought here, 73.5. Took a little loss, then dropped a 3 times bigger lot size on 61.9, and then, you know, wrote it up a little bit. It's to go by all major pairs to identify a trading pair. No, you don't have to go to all major pairs. I didn't do that. The only pairs I went through was GU, GJ, and gold, and D30. What do you think, mate? Can you please explain this chart? Yeah. Sure thing.
Yo.
Yo, how are you, man?
That was good.
Yeah, pretty good. Just woke up?
No, I've been awake. I actually tried to fix my sleep schedule yesterday.
Oh shit,
So
really?
I slept early, and I woke up early today.
Damn.
I actually caught these buys.
Me too. What is your entry?
60, 70. 17, 60, 70.
17, 60, 7. Oh shit, you even had a better one than me. Oh damn, boy. Yeah, I wanted to add one more position there, but I was a pussy.
You said it, not me.
Yeah, no, it's a fact. It's a fact. I had here 61.9.
Yeah. No, you got a little bit of drawdown there.
Yeah, a little bit, and then push back up. So I was like, yeah, let me add one here so I can average out right here. This is probably the zone we're rejecting, and then I already
You did
started
2 lots
pushing.
again?
What? No, it was more.
You did more?
Yeah.
3 lots?
Yep.
No way. I'm proud, man. That's awesome.
Thank you, man.
Make some money.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm still holding my position from the top.
Yeah.
I have a position from 1830.
Yeah, I know, that's crazy.
I'm still holding it.
That's all the way over here, man. What the fuck? Man.
You're on the 5-minute time frame, that's right. Yep, right, that wick right there.
Crazy. Sometimes you just gotta do it.
Yeah.
What's up, boys?
Yo, what's up, man?
So Dan,
Chilling.
how you doing?
Good.
I miss buys. I miss those buys. I had a limit set, but it was a bit too low. Didn't get tapped in.
Yeah.
People got.
mean,
I
you have that.
got
You have
finessed
that
first
block.
time.
Yeah, I wanted it to come down to about 59, and
Okay.
we
Yeah.
only got to 60 something. Yeah.
Yeah, I got finessed on the first one. I bought first time here. Yo, what's that?
What's up?
Yo, Ricardo.
What's going on?
Max. How are you, man? Yeah, pretty good. What about you?
Pretty good.
You take the buys.
No trades for me tonight.
Oh,
I did take a.
D30?
I took some sells early on in Asian on US 30.
US 30. Okay.
Yeah.
How did it play out?
It played out well, but it was touch and go.
Oh.
It started. It just stalled after the Asian Open and stalled for a long time. But I've managed to make a small profit. And
The
get
profit
out
is
now.
profit, right?
That's right. Now it's bullish. I
Yeah.
mean, on the day, I was looking at the daily and I was just contemplating how much higher it could go before it starts to retrace again. But
Yeah.
it's almost at the top of the bearish candle a couple of days ago on the daily. I don't really see it going much higher.
US 30.
I don't trade US 30, man. I don't know why people trade it. I don't understand why people trade it.
I
There's
like
so
it.
much better pairs to trade.
I
Man,
like
I
it
just got so confused. There's two AJs in the Zoom.
But
I have one.
it's
that's muted,
pretty
though.
much the same. Max, it's pretty much the same as D30, right? Most similar.
Yeah, they pretty much work in unison.
For me,
All the-
D30 is nice.
All the indices, yeah. All the indices work together.
They're
You guys,
so fast.
you guys know my opinion on that on US 30.
Yeah, I know.
So,
AJ, when are you gonna short US 30?
I'm not gonna short it. I'm just gonna let it short by itself, and I'm gonna buy it when it hits like 23.
Smart.
It's not a matter of if; it's a matter of when.
exactly. We just don't know when, but it's going to happen.
Yeah. Yeah. First time,
It's gonna happen.
I just bought gold, but first I got slapped. I got slapped because I bought I think it was like right here. Right here, this green line right here. I bought first time, and then prices just decided to take everyone out, and I was like, yeah, I know what's going on. Tapped into the 4-hour support zone, then I bought right here again, and I closed pretty early, like somewhere here I closed again.
AJ,
Just
did
be
you,
careful with buys. Just on gold,
Somewhere
just be
here.
careful with buys. Just because I see price going down to like 1600s.
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
it now going now to 72, like back to 72. Tap back in towards 72 on the 4-hour level break of structure right here. Tap into 72 and then continuation down towards 70, 1742, and then further on. That's the
But is it
structure.
really a break of structure? I mean,
Yeah,
if
in
you
my
look at it on the
opinion,
four-
it is because
if you look at it on the 4-hour, this was the break, right?
yeah,
This
this
thing was the break.
is the official
Right.
break. Yeah.
This is the retest.
This is smaller,
This is
lower
the
time
zone.
frame, right? This is all on the daily. This what happened here is daily time frame, right? So for me, if you look on the lower time frame, like right now on the 4-hour, we had this low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, filled higher high, and then news made a higher high, and then we had the break of the support area, which was breaking the lower time frame structure, which was going up for me. So
and
that
now you're
was
looking for the retest, right, Luke? At 72.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. On the daily, AJ, it's just that's a fact. But on the 4-hour, I think
Yeah.
it's still gonna go up one more time towards that 4-hour level, and then
Yeah, it's a 4-hour block as well.
yeah. Oh yeah, this one chart coming in I haven't reviewed yet. Yeah, I don't know about this chart. Like it's Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. One thing I would not be happy with it. You got this consolidation box, right? And you were waiting for a breakout either to the upside or the downside. What time frame is this? 1 hour. Now there is like this entry doesn't make sense. You should have sold right here where your stop loss is. This should have been the selling place because this was the retest of this area, right? See price coming down, what we just explained here on gold as well. Got this consolidation, right? Consolidation, breakout, retest, continuation. And then you're way safer selling it right here rather than right here because it can also do this for you. Come back all the way over here. So, and at that time where you were in over here, it worked out at the end of the day. Well done to you. Like, I can't say much about that. But first of all, your risk reward would have been 10 times better, and it just would have been safer overall. That's what I'm gonna say.
And your stop loss would have been better. The short smaller as well.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's pretty much 1-to-1.
Yeah.
1 to
So I tell
25.
I tell people like my students or whatever, like I never like taking a 1-to-1 trade, just because if you take a 1-to-1 trade today, right, and you take a 1-to-1 trade tomorrow, if you lose today and if you win today and you lose tomorrow, you're break even.
Yeah,
Right.
only you can only take that, in my opinion, if you're like really good at managing risk. Like I used to take 1-to-1 trades, and I used to manage risk, and only was losing like 30% of the actual risk I was taking. Right? Then you can do that, but overall,
Yeah, we do like a 1-to-2, right? If you win today and you lose tomorrow, you're kind of like a 1-to-1 at the end of the day. Or if you do a 1-to-3, you win a 1-to-3 today and you lose a 1-to-3 tomorrow, you're still a 1-to-2. You're still up a 1-to-2.
Yeah, profit.
Yeah.
GJ is gone. What about GJ? Yeah, but that's as expected, right? It needs to pull back up towards this line I have right here to continue moving down. Yeah, it wants to.
That is making nice equal lows.
Yeah,
that's
that's what I just wanted to say. This gonna dump. Yeah, it's gonna go back towards 151, 100, and then continue moving down again. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know about D30. I'm not touching it until like everything settles down after all those companies that have been added. Max, do you know the companies that have been added or not?
Oh, they added a bunch of stuff to DAX 30?
Yep. Now it's DAX 40, pretty much.
It was DAX 30 before?
Yeah, because there were only 30 companies in, and now there's 40 companies in.
Now there's 40, which means there's 10 more companies making a shitload of money.
Yep.
That's good, though.
That's all I know.
That's good, though.
Yeah. They're happy.
Yeah. Yo, so remember that day when I was telling you I wanted to order pizza?
Yeah. Yeah, steak.
So I ordered pizza.
Oh, you ordered pizza? What?
But I ordered.
That was the lowest.
I ordered a meter-long pizza.
Meter long? Why?
No way.
Yeah, it
I
was
love
like
that.
a meter long. Like it's like literally
accident.
measured a 1 meter long pizza.
But is it not round then?
What?
It's not round.
What do you mean?
Like the pizza is not round.
Oh, I killed it.
No, it's long.
No,
Yeah.
it's long. It's a meter long pizza.
Okay, yeah. I was about to say.
It's
Yeah.
only 3 inches wide, but it's a meter long.
Yes, I would say like
That's what I said for the last night.
7 inches. 7 inches. Yeah, you're the only one that uses inches, bro. Where everybody else in the world uses centimeters.
Hey, you spent time in America a lot of time.
I did, but like still.
You can't say shit now.
Still, bro.
No, we use centimeters here. But you
Yeah,
guys also use
centimeters
like
all the
feet,
way.
right? Feet, inches.
How many centimeters in an inch? It's like two or three.
I got no idea, man.
I have no idea, man.
That's stupid.
There are no centimeters in an inch. An inch is imperial and
Is my wife back? Not my wife is not back. Gabriel's asking if my wife is back. She's not.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's 2.5. It's 2.5 centimeters and 1 inch. Now I know.
But
So
is
you're
there like
talking about,
digit
like,
behind
10
it?
inches. 10
What?
Yeah,
centimeters.
256, 254. I don't know. People are giving wrong information. It's not directly fitting inside of it. Okay, yeah. Like not like an entire like 1 centimeter direct. Max,
You
so
get
you go
some-
surfing?
like a-
Yo, so did I tell you, Luke, that I flipped $100
No.
account?
No.
So I was bored, right? So I opened up $100 account.
Yeah.
And right now it's at 3,200.
Oh shit! What do? You full margin that?
No, I just scaled in. Just kept scaling in. Yeah. I had positions open. I just kept opening position. It gives you a bigger margin when you have more positions that are in profit.
Yeah. Mad. What lot size do you use on that?
Oh, I did 0.01s when I first started.
Oh really? Oh shit! Savage.
0.01 when I started it. Right now I'm doing 0.50s.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's fun starting a brand new account. I want to see how much I can make this account.
100 to 1 million.
Yeah.
That would be fun.
That was
Luke, you should have heard AJ last night. This dude goes to McDonald's, and the drive-through is full, so he goes inside.
Yeah.
And they're like serving the drive-through customers before him, and he's like, he just bitches them out. He's like, "No, you're gonna serve me before you serve them, because I'm indoors."
You were on the call with him or something?
Yeah, we're
He's
on Zoom.
He's doing it, like everyone heard of it. It was so damn funny. We all shut up and listened. Like,
Oh my god, AJ, man.
So funny.
No, I did not want to wait in the drive-thru, so I came in.
They have to wait
I
as well.
parked my car and I came in. You're supposed to serve the customer that's right in front of you.
Yeah, but they're in front too, right?
No, they're not. They're in the car.
Dude, that's different.
It's different.
What?
Yo, I got a free sandwich
No way.
Because you were bitching.
because I was bitching. Yeah.
My god.
Yo, you don't know how things run here, bro. Like,
Yeah.
if you don't bitch here, you get stomped on.
Damn.
But why do you gotta call me out like that?
I wasn't calling you out. I thought it was funny. I respect it. I respect it.
Oh my days.
I wouldn't have done that. I would have just had to wait.
Nah,
I'm too
fuck
busy
that.
to bid people
I'm
out.
literally.
How long
standing-
were you
like, I'm
waiting?
the
No, let
only
me
one in
tell me.
time.
How long were you waiting before you got served? Like, what was the waiting time,
I was like 2 minutes.
bruv? What the fuck?
Yo, because I was literally standing right in front of the guy. He was literally standing there
Yep.
in his little microphone talking to the drive-through people, and I'm sitting there like standing and looking at him. I was like, "You are gonna serve me?" He's like, "1 second," and he keeps talking to the person. And he finishes the call, the driver and takes the next order.
Yeah.
That's why I bitched.
Oh, so he took the next order without even asking you?
Yeah, without even talking.
No, yeah,
So,
then I
like,
understand. Like, if he keeps on talking and then goes to the next one, even if you're standing in
Yeah,
front, yeah,
so
I
I
would.
waited for him to finish that order, and then I was like, "All right, now it's my turn." And he was like, he started taking the second order, and I was like, "Y'all better figure your shit out. You get another person over here on the other counter. One person for the drive-through, one person for the in-person."
Oh, there's only one
the-
for both. Do you not have like
Yeah.
those screens where you can just type in what you want and you just
Nah,
wait?
because of Corona, they closed all that shit up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
But I got a free sandwich, so I'm not complaining.
Crazy. Got stopped out at 1768. Profit though. Okay, good job. Oh man, if I held this shit, my god.
I'm still holding the buzz.
Yeah, I wish I did.
Yeah, I'm actually like learning a lot more about holding trades. I used to like let it in and out like real quick. I'm just like,
oh
fuck
my
it, like,
days.
'cause
Yeah.
I've noticed like in my trading career, bro, like the positions that I get into, like they're fucking like insane. And I was like, let me just see what happens if I hold it.
Man, if I held this,
Here, that's 3 lots. 3 lots. You're talking about.
2100.
Oh man, that's a lot of money, bro. A lot of money.
But look, how's the market, bro? Yeah, pretty good. There's gonna be one day where I'm gonna hold that.
You see, that's the thing. Like, it literally takes one day.
Yeah, one day. It takes one day. I'm like, that day is gonna come.
That
And I'm
literally
gonna
takes one day. That's what people don't realize. Literally, in one day, you can make back everything you've lost.
Yeah, but then you
In
got
one
like
day.
then you got into that new vibe. I had that last year as well. Got into that
Go ahead.
one day where I did that, and then it keeps on doing the same. You keep on doing the same every day. Just need to go to that one day where it happens, and then do it
And then
the
you do
next
your
day,
shit
and the next
together.
day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Right?
Yeah.
So I'm already
Yeah,
like,
but
it's not like that. I'm not like you're already profitable, but you're not taking the full potential out of
the trade
what you're
itself.
doing.
Yeah, I understand that. That's why I'm trying to like condition myself into holding trades.
Yeah, smart. Gonna hold this for even like a 40 pips more.
Because I will hold trades, like I will hold runners, but I won't hold full positions.
Yeah, I'm learning that too. Full positions, like runners, yeah, they make you money as well, but like not as much as full position. And when you know
full
shit's
position,
going-
bro. You would
Yeah.
have been up like 3K right now.
yeah, 2.1, so like a lot.
Yeah, you would have gone to the strip club.
The most important still is blues.
You know what's been messing my schedule up is all these princes that call me in the middle of the night.
Again.
No, it's been that way for like the past like 3-4 weeks. Like I get a call in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
2
bitch,
a.m.,
why are you
3
calling
a.m.
me, man? Get the hell out of here.
I don't care. Call me because they pay me fucking really
Yeah,
well.
you
like,
said that before. You showed
like,
that.
So
Mad.
like, don't call me at any time. But like, it gets to the point right now. I'm just like, I'm physically drained. I'm tired. Because like my mornings are nights and my nights are morning now.
Yeah. This was actually no, it was the third time already. Last week I sold more. Last week I was selling a lot. Last week I was pretty much only in sales. Sales. Yeah, last week's sales were king. This week's buys are king. And using that fibbing net. Yeah, I see what you're looking at, but overall branch structure is still there. You long, Lukey? Yes, I was long. Bro, they used to... Huh? What?
Lukey, that's a good one. I like it.
Yeah. Bro, did you stop giving a fuck about GG or what? Yes. Oh my god, there you go. Leeway is pushing, man. Man. 75.
Oh, shit's flying.
Yeah, man, it's mad. I wish I had that second entry when it pulled down further. If I had the second entry, I would have probably closed the top one at like 15, 10, 15, what I did with this one, and then left the rest running. And I was gonna drop the same position. Huh?
You closed full?
Yeah.
Why, man?
Yeah, I was a pussy. That's what I mean. I was a pussy.
No, at least a runner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, gonna do that. Wasn't smart.
It's all good.
But yeah. Yeah, it's all good.
Doesn't matter.
Damn, boy.
Daily is flipping bullish on gold as well.
Yeah, flip bullish. Now it's gonna make that top wick to 72. 22.2. Oh, no, 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 no. You know that Thursdays are actually my worst days?
Really?
Yeah, for some reason Thursdays not that good. Thursday I'm
Look
not.
at you have the 8-hour chart, right?
Oh yes.
Look at the 8-hour. You'll see why it pulls buying.
Yeah. I see that. Overall, I think we're gonna go down after that. Dip into that. We got some pound news coming up. And that. Oh, we got Mr. Pole speaking. What we're gonna have next week.
We own every week.
Huh?
We own every week.
Yep. That's a fact. Yo, everything was flying, man. Yesterday night on Ethereum went up like 9%.
Yeah, but it's funny. It's funny how everybody thought Bitcoin was in a bull run. I was like, y'all tripping. I told everybody, I was like, y'all are tripping. Bitcoin is gonna go down, and nobody believed me. And I was like, yo, you guys really think Bitcoin is gonna continue going up? This is just a pullback.
Yo, I wanted to go to like 10, 15,000.
That's where I'm about.
13,000.
Like everybody
12,000.
saw this. Everybody sees this, and I was like, oh my god, we're gonna go back up. You know?
No, we're just retesting this to make the second
Literally,
leg.
this is just a retest for that. You know, we're gonna come back down and break all this shit.
Shit's about to go downtown.
Like, makes clear sense. Break a structure to the downside.
Yeah.
You know,
Retest
these lows, right? It's gonna
Yeah.
come back up with some more liquidity, right? And then it's gonna go to shit. It's literally gonna go to shit. And then you have all of this is imbalance. Like, there is no selling pressure anywhere in this area.
Oh, yeah.
So price will have to fill this area.
I had a buddy of mine yesterday tell me, yeah, I just bought the dip. I was like, oh, did you, man?
No, because if you look at it, like,
I mean, it's still $5,000 difference. So, but he probably
look at
didn't
it.
buy full Bitcoin.
Right? Look at this move up.
Yeah.
Right, and then look at the retracement. So, like, I want you
Yeah,
to
it's going back to.
if you use this and see how big of this pullback was, right?
From here?
No, from like, do it from here to here.
Oh fuck.
Yep, that was a 84% pullback.
Yeah, and we're here only on what, like what percent?
Right, and then if you even zoom in, like, if you go left, even more.
Here, this is exactly the same.
Right, go left. I'll show you something even more. Go left. Right, zoom into this area here. This little spike right there.
This, right? This, right?
No. this little spike right here. This little spike right here.
Oh yeah.
Zoom into that. Right? Look at how big this pullback was.
Same 80%.
70-something%.
If you
Right?
look
So
at this one,
statistically-
look at this one. Look at this one. %.
Exactly. So like
Look at
statistically
the first run.
speaking,
Look at the first run. Look at the first run to 10,000. Look at the first run. 80%.
literally, that's literally what I'm trying to tell everybody. Right?
Yeah.
So like
And here,
statistically speaking, price always does the same thing that has happened in the past.
yeah,
So
80%.
80%,
It's right
where
there.
is that going to be?
It's 12,000,
Exactly.
12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12, 13,000. Look.
Thanks for the signal to set my limit order.
Yeah. Yeah, that's mad. And you see, it's the same bullish run every time. It goes up very fast and then down slowly and then up very fast
but
again.
the thing is, like at this point now, if price comes back down to this area, like I know for a fact that the Feds, right, they're gonna buy up a lot over down here, right? And the Feds want to regulate Bitcoin, right? So they're gonna buy up a lot over here so that they can have control over the Bitcoin market. Right now, they have no control.
If everyone keeps on buying, then they never have control.
No, but it's funny, like people thinking Bitcoin's gonna go to 500,000, right? Like, come on, man, be realistic. Like, just be realistic. Where's price at right now, and where's 500,000?
Yeah, but people be calling some random numbers, right?
Yeah, I call random numbers, but my numbers hit.
I mean, if you calculate this, right?
I don't care about the push up. I care about the pullback. Every pullback down is at least between 70 to 80%. That's it.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, 5 years ago, if you said BTC 50K, you would all crazy, and we're here now. Yeah, that's true, but you know. Yeah, I'm personally gonna.
Well, I wasn't looking at it 5 years ago.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go off. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like. We don't have 100 likes yet. Those are rookie numbers. So if you haven't liked yet,
that's really bad.
Yeah, man. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the London session and New York session again. Thank you, and bye-bye.
Peace.
Peace out.